Sam Silly Millie down in New Orleans had a lot of money and a long limousine. Took a honky tonk on Saturday night, drinking white light and everything was alright. But I would roll and we shoulda went bowling. Wham, bam, who shot Sam? Sam and Silly Millie was at it once more, rock and rolling on the hardwood floor. Then Gravel got in on the fun. Minnie got jealous and pulled out a gun. Table was a crashing, 40 flashing, wham, bam, who shot Sam? City and the county and the highway patrol knocking on the door with a big old pole. Sam was alive on the cold floor, shot through the belly with a bad 44. Minnie was a crying, Sammy was a dying. Wham, bam, who shot Sam? Silly Millie to the jail downtown. Whoa, that's what they looked for, shooting nose round. Lord, the judge gave it 20 and said it's allowed. Oh, he shouldn't have given me any, it's already half shot. Oh, drinking wine line and started all the fight. Oh, wham, bam, who shot Sam?